Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 905, so let's get things started. As you know, this is Saturday itself, so I'm just doing a very quick run through for crypto itself. So it did form a very some of the intermediate kind of bearish or mid-term kind of pullback kind of sentiment, especially when you're seeing Bitcoin like this, we have a parabolic run, consolidation, a breakthrough, and then a very clear rejection over here. But the fact is the fact that even after that rejection itself, so going through a few things. Firstly, we formed this rejection candlestick on Saturday, that's one. Secondly, is the fact that we formed this candlestick, and looking back in time, I don't see any distinctively sort of resistant region itself. Even if you look over here, then tentatively, the best case scenario of a potential resistance would be somewhere along, or support will be somewhere along here to here. Yeah, I'll say somewhere along here to here. Here will be, so it's more towards above the resistance than above than right at resistance itself. So I don't think if this is the continuation pattern, I don't think that we're likely to actually see a rejection off from here directly. And even if we do see some sort of a retracement, then I still lean towards a potential sort of a continuation, at least towards the 24,000 mark region itself. Not to say that we cannot form a new point over here and just fall off from here, but I do think that we definitely generally more likely to get a clear rejection of clear resistances level as well. So over here there will be a much more of a clearer kind of resistances, or perhaps if you even look on the weekly chart itself, you will see a confluence pattern over here as well. So if we do hit over there, then chances of a potential shift is definitely there. So on the weekly chart, if we do close over here, which is you can see the high was over at 21.4K region itself, which is very likely to do so, as we have only 8 hours left to go, then that would mean that we potentially have formed a high and a higher high. So that fulfills the first part of a potential shift of market structure itself. And then we go low, but we still got a lower low. But this itself form a potential consolidation phase, and then we're potentially shifting towards momentum wise. I do think we're going to spend at least a couple of months, perhaps even to the end of March, to even April itself, before we have a decisive break towards the upside. Of course, it could be earlier, but definitely I think the earliest that we can break over this 24K region itself, that will very much be likely in February. And that's the very earliest. We'll likely consolidate at least 2 to 3 weeks in February itself before a decisive break, or even a swift decisive rejection that will be more likely. You could also face a rejection later on as well. Other than that, with that said, I've come to the end of today. I don't see any potential trades that I'll be looking in terms of 4 hours chart, simply because we are still quite far off this 20 exponential moving average. Over here, I didn't want to enter simply because price looks to be a little bit choppy itself, with a rejection over here and then a rejection over here itself. So definitely not what I want to enter, because I want a very clean price action, and then give rise to a very good kind of a stop loss entry for trade, and also for very tight stop loss, giving rise to a very good risk to setup in that sense. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.